Hey guys, how you all doing? This will be a really nice video where I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Sheets in how you can use the Gemini AI into your Google Sheets. So let's first understand what are the features that you are getting in this update. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is that you can ask the Gemini about any kind of thing. There are options to clear and recent Gemini history, and you can summarize the spreadsheet with Gemini AI, create tables, create formulas, generate data analysis and design, and summarize, and lots of things that you can do. Basically, anything that you can imagine that will be possible for that. So let's see how you are getting these features. So this feature is currently available as part of our early access testing program in Google Workspace Lab. So this basically what this means is that basically if you have a Google Workspace, then you will be able to get this feature. Since I don't have this, then I'm not seeing this feature right now. So we'll see what we can do about this. And basically, to get this Google Workspace feature, you can use any work or school account and you should get this. So if you have a work or school account, you will be able to get this Gemini AI feature and make any kind of prompt in your Google Sheets. So if you don't have the workspace account like mine, what you can do basically is that you can install this extension. This is AI for Sheets. So I'm going to install this, and then let's install. I'm going to choose the account, click on continue, and it is asking me all this. It will be able to see, edit and create and all of my Google spreadsheet. So I'm okay with that, so I'm going to allow it. This is actually a third party extension, not officially from the Google Sheets. So it is installed now. So I'm going to refresh now, and now I'm going to click on extension, and you can see that I have AI for Sheets, use Gemini formulas. So let's see what I can do with it. So it is uh, telling me to agree this their terms and conditions, so I am agreeing. Now you can summarize, create a concise summary sample. Okay, so let me first try this, and then I'm going to do a prompt here like this. Explain what is going on. So it's loading right now, and let's see if